Are you hit? Sammy! Sammy still up there? Yeah. All right, I may have one more down here. The other two are probably going to come back. I got to both of them. Yeah, cover Sammy. I got the left. Sammy didn't answer when I called for him last time, so watch. Matt! Sammy up there? Start pushing forward. Hey, actually, go, go, go. Got him down, got him down. All right, he's hit. Let him get up. Matt, left flank, watch it. Don't get up, I'm not taking you. I'm out. That's his job. Dude, that's our teammate.
Yeah, stop shooting at me, please. Dead and I'm your teammate. Are you dead? No, I got one. No, other guy. I don't remember your name.
Me?
Yeah.
Larry and no.
Okay. Alright, shoot. I think two.
Yeah, you two hold.
I got 2 guys left. 3 are dead.
I know, come here, I'm gonna tell you. You guys hold what you got.
Keep your back. It's right there below the hill.
Yeah, I know. You got range on me?
Huh?
You got range on me?
Yeah, hit range.
Flank wide.
Hit that guy in the back.
Well, I'm gonna go up the middle, and then we'll come up on the back side of the hill.
Alright, watch me. I'll get set. I'll nail that guy off that hill if he's still there.
1005.
I think we got 2. I know 3 are confirmed dead.
Well, I got 2 of them off this left flank. 30. Don't worry, we only got 10 seconds.
Too busy wrapped up in strategizing.
Right up there in the low area. Go, right down. No, right down there. He's right out. Nope. Go. I got him. Keep going. Push. Push. Left side. Move up slow. Sammy, Matt, move up slow. Sammy, go get with Matt. Sammy, back up. Go to Matt. Push up in a pair. Stay about 10 to 20 feet apart. Matt, direct. Go. I've got the top side. Right, left. Move forward. If you make contact, start yelling it out. Have you made contact?
Right side! I can't die! I haven't fucking Skyrim at home!
Hardline's better!
What do you say?
Left side, move up. Left side, push in. Pull on me. Game and next.